Rocket has been MSR's best-selling stove for years, but we've shaved the weight down further to just 73 grams or 2.6 ounces. By designing its pot supports to fold down around the stove body, we've reduced its pack size to create a tiny piece of high-performance equipment. With the burner surface separated into 3 areas, wind can blow out 1 or even 2 sectors and the stove will remain lit, minimizing wasted fuel. Throw it inside the Titan kettle or even inside the Titan mug for the ultimate ultralight kit.